And then we'll show our deck profiles afterwards. Yep. Why have we seen this Slytherin deck on stream 3 times today? Yep. I misplayed already. It's alright. Swing at you, draw. That's swing at you. Dice. Wow. Okay. Should have done it in the opposite order. Draw. Yep. Digiburst, gain a memory. Okay. Digiburst, gain 2k. Yep, and a security check. So I'm playing for 3, for 12. -2 yet. Doesn't matter, I'm just gonna give you 2 to kill that. And swing for 3. Okay. Good thing is we know it'll be quick matches. Tell me about it. I'm okay with that. So that busy. Yeah. Yep. Alright, can you blow me out, bro? Okay. Puppet Mon against green is feels bad, man. Yeah. There's a reason I don't run it. In this version. Swing there. Memory. Hitting? Those 2.
I figured I'd get 2-3 months worth of.
You swing?
So,
Bring it back to my hand. Okay. Did you draw? Nope.
Actually, it's
That was right in my life.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Double Mimi in life does me no good.
Okay.
I did.
Didn't matter. It's like I could have played something, but didn't matter.
I was afraid of your Boulder arm in life, so I didn't swing with my OTK pieces. I'm like, I'm just gonna outright kill this guy instead. I'm okay with this. Like, I was gonna kill it anyways, but I'm like, I don't want to chance it in that Boulder. It's like, it's too.
Yeah, it's just ow.
Especially after you gave me a -3, you put me down to a 10k, and I'm like, I'm gonna die, and I would have hit that magnet on the third hit. And I'm like, I'm glad I didn't. I am so glad I didn't.
I was like, I don't want to see minus things in my hand. Like, I just need to see cheap.
You're like, I need to build the board and kill.
Yeah.
Go first.
I
Or memory free to kill you faster. Thank you.
yeah.
Sorry.
Did you roll? Sure.
Give me 7 for. Oh, 4. I'm okay with that too. Long roach mod. Wow. My deck's like cool.
Swing at your draw. Cool. Yup. Spend. Yep.
I'm also jamming now.
Okay. Yep. Wait, need HUD doesn't work because of that. So do you want to swing?
It suspends everything. It's
Yeah,
everything.
but you have to
suspended goes.
DG burst 4.
Oh, that's right. No. Oh, yeah, I meant to swing there. Sorry,
Okay,
that's
cool.
what I was doing.
Yeah, you're fine. I realize.
Yeah. That's why I was like, okay, I
Sorry.
gotta swing there then, and I'm like, I'm super confused. Sorry, I'm gonna put you to 3. That was my bad. Yeah. So, Mimi. Yep. Digimon for 1.
Yep.
Digiverse for Lala.
Okay.
2. Draw.
Yep.
Swing over the puppet.
Okay.
These terms are like looking really familiar.
Swing at your draw.
Dice.
Okay.
With my weedy boy.
These turns are looking really familiar.
Right? But I finally have the ability to
To go into that. Good.
Maybe. Flip. Digivolve draw. Digiburst all 4. I'm now become a 13. Jamming.
Yeah.
Swing.
-3.
I'm jamming, so it doesn't matter.
Just in case I got the thing.
Clear it.
1, 2. Big strong.
Troop doop scoop. You have to have another puppet or it's game.
Well, even if I do have another
Oh, yeah, I
yeah,
forgot.
that's why I was like, I don't think there's Because I have another puppet, but I'm like, it doesn't matter.
GG, Nick, GG.
GG.
That was
Damn it, my
fucking
hands! I'm like, no!
That was fucking intense.
I see my life, and I'm like, why wasn't that my hand? It was just all rookies, and I'm just like, why?
Suppose I have to lay this out now, don't I?
Yeah, that's true. Lay him out. Four, 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 three, four, 4, 2, 1, 4, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4.
Yep. Pretty standard, honestly.